Gusto ko sana ipakita sa inyo ang mga sakura. No? Pero pag ganito, double chin makita nyo sa akin. Takong pa more. Good morning! Wow, the sun is so bright. It is Saturday today and yeah, join me sa akong mga pagpapanggap. We are here at Chiang Mai Business Park, CBP area because I have a work later. Before my work, let's just grab some coffee and talk about life and everything. Wait, before anything else, fit check. This is my fit. So nice, so cute. And also, I just did my nails, by the way, guys. Look. So this is just a press-on nail that I bought last night. So I just bought this one for 40 baht. Looks cute. Sakit lang siya sa kamot, but it will do its job. All of this one is from Shein actually. And I'm wearing a really, really nice necklace from this Instagram shop. And it's really nice. I bought 2 pieces. This is from Unique Shop. So I'll just put the link of this Instagram shop on the description box below because I really, really want you to try their products. Nice kaayo. Dili siya mag-tarnish. It's not gold ha, but I wear it every day and it's nice. Anyways, yeah, it's too sunny, so we will just go inside the cafe now. And I'm going to share with you my journals, my planners, and how I plan for the whole week. So, tara, let's go. Okay, guys, so we are here at Always Cafe while waiting for my class. As I told you, I'm going to share what type of journal or, planner I'm using. So, yeah, first is this one. Look. So, this is my daily self-care journal where I write my intentions, what I'm grateful for. Yeah, it's just so nice because ang iyahang dates, guys, ang nakabutang diri, kanang bitong no need to rush, no need to follow up the dates. Anytime nga gusto ka mag-write, ari, you're just free to write. So, some basic questions that you need to answer is like, what were the good things that happened today? What am I proud of today? How can I start my day on a positive note? So, and this is really a nice journal. I bought this one where TikTok shop, I guess. And it's really nice. I'm using it right now. So next is my bullet journal. So diri ang mga to-do list, ang ako ang mga goals, ang ako ang mga kailangan i-achieve for this week. So na siya diri tanan. And ako ang mga content ideas because you know me, I'm always writing. Every time nga makahuna-huna kog idea, I write it immediately. There is ako ang journal. And it's really somehow effective. You know, I'm that type of person nga very kuan. Ako yung ginasulat tanan sa akong journal. Kung sa may mga witty ideas nga mo come up sa akong mind, ako rin siya ibutang dira. And the last one, since I'm also a crafty person, I have this scratch journal. Actually, these are all travel journal. I made this one when, how to say this one, scratch lang good, nga makuha ni mo every time mo ato kag cafes, ato kag 7-Eleven. Somehow that will make your day memorable. So I put everything here, from plane tickets to cafe receipts na tanan dere. And this one, I bought this one in Vietnam. Tanan nako nga makuha. Like, very memorable. Ginabutang nako dere sa ako ang scratch journal. So yeah, that's why I'm just so excited to visit new countries para madungagan ang ako ang collection. Because I really want to treasure all the memories and experiences nga ako ang mag-gain from a trip. And yeah, I'm just so excited to share all of my trips for this year. So, abang-abang while waiting for my students. So, yeah, join me today as I become a productive rep. Banoffee. So, I'm obsessed with Banoffee lately. Thanks to my sponsor, my sugar daddy. We are here at Cafe Amazon before we namatay na sad ko. So actually, we are on our way now to Lampang. We will be celebrating Roseanne's birthday. So, Mami Roseanne, see you later, alligator. So, ayan. So, I have here Banoffee with me. So, kung ano na ito ni siya before tamuhabhab na po sa Lampang. You know what I'm saying? Nag-order sa may kape to, boost our Namatay na. Kape sa me for energy, you know what I'm saying? Look. True. Hala, puti kay kudra.
Gabalik ka na vlog. Alam, mas kusog to.
If you want to buy, no, if you're in the Philippines, nga, gapangita og Thai authentic products, visit mo sa iyang page. So, namaligya siya dito, guys, ka mga inhaler nga inyong ginapangita, naa dito. Mga pampagwapag, pagpaputi, naa dito. Wow! So, good morning, everyone! We are here at Lampang now, and actually, wala ko ka-vlog gabi kay Bibo ang tanan gabi. Dato kaya mong friend nga Rose and kay iya yun yung giarkilahan ng isa ka bangka. Di ba, Dai? Morning! Tell me more. So, yeah, we will just enjoy our day today. So, let's go. Birthday girl! Hey, happy birthday! Awat siya sa ako, guys, kaya nakitan ko yan nag-yellow ko ganina. So, nag-yellow po siya. Di siya magpapildi. Di siya papildi. Di ba? Halay sabi kayo mag-outfit check sa ta. Sinong lamang? Sinong sikat? Sinong angat? Ana man na. Sinong angat? Sinong sikat? Tell me more.
Tell me more, wala siyang dede.
Sorry. Bastos siya. Thank you, Paul.
Excuse me.
Bastos gina siya, guys. Okay na, let's go.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Ay, isa po. Masa ba siya? Nas-block na na siya. Work is life.
So guys,
We're here. Hey guys! Wow! Sama na siya, guys. That's a wrap for today. So, pangutano na ako mga kauban. Unsa ilang maingon? Ani nga trip. Yes? Timarcy?
it was amazing.
Amazing. How about you, Magay?
It was death-defying.
Defying gravity.
Enchanting.
It was fun. So if you want to go here, pagplano gid mo, okay? You have to be here early, gyud.
Dili, mag-book sila. I think you can be here at around 7. It's still fine.
But I want like the very enchanting feeling, like there's a mist all over
I
us.
think you will not be misty if it's like 6.
True. So
7 is fine.
just do your best. Come here.
Where is?
Where there is. Hi, bye. Look at the sakura. Sakura or sakura? Comment down below. Oh, I like that one. Look, I want that airdrop. Hey guys. Gusto ko sana ipakita sa inyo ang mga sakura. No, pero pag ganito, double chin makita nyo sa akin. Oh. Look at the sakura. There, oh. I don't know if you can see them because hindi pa siya fully bloomed. Well, anyways.
Blooming ka naman.
Blooming. Blooming na nga ako. Tapos meron pa akong double chin. Ano ba yan?
Fully bloom ka naman.
Fully bloom. Magsayo ako ng pan-tropico ngayon. Hey.
Hindi, pagpaningkamot yun.
Change outfit.
Mary si... Kalibang sa dirabisa.